Ready to supercharge your WooCommerce online store with hassle-free, secure payments? Let's dive into linking Stripe. First things first, we need to install the official Stripe for WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, then add New in the search bar, type Stripe, and look for the official WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. Click Install Now, and once it's finished, click Activate. Now that Stripe is activated, let's get it configured. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, select the Payments tab. You'll see Stripe listed. Click on it to open the Stripe settings page. This is where we'll enter your Stripe API keys. We'll need to log into your Stripe dashboard. If you don't have an account, sign up for free in your Stripe dashboard. Find your API keys. You'll typically see a live publishable key and a live secret key. Copy these keys carefully and paste them into their respective fields on your WooCommerce Stripe settings page. Ensure you're copying the live keys, not the test keys, for actual transactions. Next, we need to set up webhooks. Webhooks are crucial for Stripe to communicate with your store, informing it about payment events like successful payments or refunds. On your WooCommerce Stripe settings page, you'll find a section for webhooks. Copy the provided webhook endpoint URL, then head back to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to Developers, then Webhooks. Click at Endpoint, paste the URL you just copied, and select events like charge associated and payment _intents associated. Save your webhook. Finally, let's ensure a smooth customer experience. Back on your WooCommerce Stripe settings, you can enable or disable Apple Pay and Google Pay if your site is configured for them. Streamlining the checkout process even further, you can also enable test mode temporarily to practice transactions without using real money. Once everything is set up and you've saved your changes, your Stripe Payment Gateway is live and ready to accept secure payments on your WooCommerce store.